We are preparing video to import clusters and transactions from Excel to Tally using mapping template method. There are two types of methods to import clusters and transactions from Excel to Tally. That is, go to import, go to manage. There are two methods. First one is mapping template method. Second one is sample Excel file method. We have already uploaded video using sample file Excel file method. You can view and you can practice and you can import clusters and transactions from Excel to the using sample Excel file method. Sample Excel file method is very easy and very simple. But for large data, this is not suitable. Mapping template method is very much suitable for large data. For example, you have 10,000 masters, ledgers, 10,000 items. Just within a minute, you will import by using mapping template method. Only disadvantage of this method is in sample Excel file method, receipt voucher transaction, payment voucher transaction, contra voucher transaction, general voucher transactions, debit note, credit note, purchase, sales. In one sheet you can into Tally. But in mapping template method, you have to import transactions separately, each voucher wise. For example, receipt voucher, etc. That separate sheet should be there. Payment voucher, separate sheet should be there. Purchase voucher, separate sheet should be there. Sales voucher, separate sheet should be there. Similarly, contra and journal voucher, quit note, credit note, all vouchers, separate sheet should be there. Accordingly, we have to import. But we will show you how to do it. First, we'll do import, that is masters. First, we have to import master ledgers and master items. Okay, let us start. Now, let us learn how to import ledger master from Excel to Tally by using mapping template method. We must have ledger data in Excel sheet with some details. For example, this is the Excel data, ledger data. You must have name of ledger, group, obey, debit or credit, address, state, country, pin code, still more. If you want to have more, you can have. I will show you what else you can add. Some more names, for example, cost center, category, so many things you can add. But simply I am showing with the following columns. Go to tally now, go to import, go to manage, mapping template, create. It is, I have, this is a file name is master ledger template. File name is master ledger template. Okay. You select master ledger template. It is sheet 1. Hmm? Name is, I will give ledger master. Select ledger. Name. That is name of ledger. Group name. Select and ledger opening balance. Select opening balance. Ledger opening balance debit or credit. To select debit or credit. Mailing details. Equal form 1/4/26. Mailing name, please. Address, date, date, country, country, pin code, pin code. See, all details we have. Karnataka should be in Karnataka. If it is blank, you do not import. Only wherever you have mentioned in that field, that will take. Okay. I will make end of list. Enter. Let us import. Import. Masters. Path is, this is the path. C UTEP template. It is a C YouTube template. Okay. This is a location file. I will select lesson. I will select, okay. I will select Ledger Masters. So here you can select anyone. I will make it modify with new. Preview, you want to view, you can have preview. Okay, now it will show preview. How many ledgers you will going to import to tab? Import. Some exception will be there. If you are doing any mistake, there will be exceptions. So I will check where exceptions. Only there are two exceptions are there. And you can correction is very easy. Okay, for secured loan group is not there. I will select secured loan. I will save it. Control A. Second one is unsecured loan. Unsecured loan. Control A. So what import of ledger using mapping template method. We'll see all ledgers imported on. We'll go to chart of accounts. Go to ledgers. See ledger view. These ledger view. These many ledgers we have imported from. This is what import of master ledger from Excel. Now we'll show you how to import item master from Excel. It is also very simple. It is like import of ledger masters using template method into tab. You go to you want to have data, item data. It is we have item data. We have taken only three. You can have 10,000, 20,000, 30,000 items. Just you have to enter these columns. Columns you may have here and there, no problem. But these much column, minimum column is required. Still, you may have more columns. Okay, I have taken only three items. Let us create mapping template for top item. Go here, not ledgers, items. What is stock items are there? Fertilizer is there. These many are there. You must have all these details. That is name of item, group name. You can have group name, units, balance, balance quantity, balance rate, total value, and GST rate, HSN, SGST, CGST, SGST percentage, and CGS percentage. Okay, these two columns, I think it is not required. I will delete it. It is SGST, CGST. That's all. Okay, I will save it. I will go to Tally now. I will again select that company. This is what company you can see here. No stock items are there. Nothing is there. Now I will go and import from Excel. Import masters. File name is master item Excel template. Okay, that I am opened and I'm selecting. You can keep your template. You master Excel sheet. You can keep anywhere. I kept in a YouTube group or YouTube folder. Okay, this is what we have to go into import. We quit. This is a waste. To select master item Excel template, sheet 1, custom master, you can select anyone. This behavior of import, if master is already exist, you can select anyone. View import summary. This number should be there. This unit of measure, whatever is there now, you have to create in advance. Otherwise, you can import from Excel. If it is not there, it will come in exceptions. Again, you can create that one. Enter. See, three item master scale. It is showing preview. You go and click on import. It will be imported success. Okay. Now we can see whether all imported or not. Stock item, fertilizer, pesticides, seeds, all three imported. I'll show you fertilizer. This HSN code also typed and the GST rate also it is typed. Now your item is perfectly imported into. Similarly, you can see in pesticides. HSN code also imported and GST rate also imported. This is why we need to import in something. Here I given for an example only three. So, 10,000 also. Single button. Within a span of seconds, it will going to import into. I will show you how to prepare item template. Import, manage, mapping template, alter. It is already there. This is what mapping template. We have to go on select. We have to write name of master template, item master, stock item, name, name. See, I will open Excel file, master Excel. Only three items we have taken. Item name, group name, units, opening balance rate, opening balance rate per opening balance value, GST rate, HSN, SGST, CGST. Like this, it is there. Okay. This is the uh, template, mapping template. You can take screenshot. Similarly, you have to prepare mapping template. Okay. Now go to import, master, select file, sheet one, whether sheet one or sheet two. Yes, sheet one only. See, this is sheet one. Enter, modify with new data. Enter, enter, like this. Import. Import successfully. Now let us discuss how to import from Excel, that is item masters to Tally. Your Excel data should be proper. There should be a sufficient column in that Excel. That is voucher date, voucher type, voucher number, ledger name, ledger amount, bit date, item name, billed quantity, item rate, item per, item amount, change mode, CGST, SGST, sales ledger amount, address, Karnataka state, pin code. So this is you prepare this. We have prepared for only 3 transactions. You can prepare for 1,000 transactions. It will come instantly into Tally. Now go to Tally, prepare mapping template like this. Go to import, go to manage, go to mapping template, go to enter. This is a mapping template already we have prepared. So kindly copy this one and prepare in your Tally. Up to this year. So you have to take copy or print out or screenshot and prepare in your Tally. That is mapping template. How to prepare mapping template is go to manage and mapping template. Create. This is for sales. You can create like this. It one. You can create in sales like okay. I have prepared. I am using it. Transactions. This is a mapping template. This is sales mapping template. This is a sales mapping template. What I have did is here I have control A. This is one pin template. Okay. Control A. I will import now. So to go to import, your sheet is sheet one. Sales ledger is there. This sales details. This one is sales details. Sales voucher. I am importing to Tally now. Go to import transactions. My file is in uh, your file. Enter sheet one. Enter three voucher scale. I will import like this. Similarly, now we will import purchase transaction into Tally. So here also we have to create mapping template to import from Excel. First, we'll prepare Excel sheet. See, these are details we have filled. Here only three I have given for as an example. You can have 1,000 also, no problem. This is what column. This column is like this. Voucher date, voucher date, voucher time, voucher number, ledger name, ledger amount, debit and credit, item name, bill quantity, item rate, item per, amount, mode, chain mode, CGST, SGST, everything I have given. Now I will show you how to make content in the Tally. Go to import, go to manage, go to mapping template, you can create for purchases. You can create for purchase. It is already created in we have created because it is very long. Your video will become very long. That is the reason we have prepared. And you can take screenshot or you can take copy. Then you can see here purchase. This is for purchase. Quickly. For purchase, we have prepared. You can prepare accordingly. Import transactions, transaction template, sheet 3, purchase. I'll show you once again. This is a purchase. Like this. Control. A. Now import entire 3 vouchers. Import. Some exception is there. Can correct that exceptions. Mismatch is there. So control A. That numbering mismatch is there. Control A. Control A. Numbering mismatch is there. You can correct tally is correct mismatch number. Okay, it is already imported. See, you can see in a book also anywhere you can see. See, this is a purchase one, two, three. Three purchase imported into tally. Like this, you have to put the Excel. See, in purchase ratio, see, we have voucher K. Now next we'll discuss receipt voucher.